All right, boys and girls, finally happened. I broke my Alibaba excavator. So in today's video, we'll see if it's as hard to repair as everyone says. A lot of warnings about do not buy Chinese excavators. Once something breaks, you can't repair it, but I don't think it should be that bad. So let me give it a shot. All right, story time. So what happened was I was trying to get rid of some roots over here. Reached my boom through here and accidentally ripped off the hydraulic line. So it's the one that sat here. It goes from here down to here. And yeah, it's no more. So this fitting got ripped off. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna head down to the local hydraulic hose and line repair shop and see if they can fix it for me. This is metric, but they do say they have a lot of metric in stock, so we should be all right. I'm now heading back from the hydraulic shop. It's called Belfair Hose and Hydraulic Inc. in Bremerton. And I got really lucky, or maybe that's the way it always works, but people were saying it's going to be a real hard time to find replacement parts for these Chinese excavators. That was not the case for me. So I brought the hose in. They said initially that they could just repair it or rebuild it. But once they had a look at it, they found out the internal diameter of the hose would not fit their couplings, so they just replaced it. It cost me a total of $72.38. And here is the new hose. So out of that, it was $15.16 for the hose itself. Then I have two couplings. They are $23.81 each. On top of that, I opted for the wrap just to protect it. And that heavy duty HDPE black hose guard cost me $9.60. So very good deal. It was not a problem to get the right connections, and now I just got to go back, attach it, find out if I need to bleed it like you do a brake, or if you just attach it and it somehow bleeds itself. We will find out. We are back. Brand new, perfect hose. So it was not that expensive. So it just goes on right here and right there. And from what I understand, there's no purging required. It should purge itself. I talked with my best friend ChatGPT. He said just to do it nice and slow. Make sure we start out with plenty of hydraulic fluid, and it will drop a little bit as I go. But yeah, that should be good. And then just move it slowly after the hydraulic fluid warms up a bit. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's first attach this. All right, so let's make sure it fits. Move this down a little bit. There we go. Beautiful. No problem there. Just do a loose fit to begin with. And that came, let's have a look at the other side. Goes under and in there. So here we go. Yeah, that looks good. So not a problem. Okay, instead of just yanking on it with one wrench, I'm grabbing two so that I don't twist the pipe at the same time. We don't want that. But there we go. So once this is done, we'll warm up the excavator, let the hydraulic fluid warm up, and then we will slowly let it in. Let's see, there's one. All right, well, that should be good. All right, time to warm it up. Someone should wash this thing. I like to warm it up for 10 seconds. It's pretty warm. No, cold out now. It's winter time. There we go. That's the glow plugs, and let's fire it up. All right, it's always very smoky when it first starts. Give it 10 seconds, and then it goes to normal operations. It's a Yanmar engine, so it's pretty clean burning. All right, it is 12:38. Let's give it till at least 12:40. Hey! Okay, so there you go. It wasn't harder than that. Got the new hydraulic line on there. Very easy fix. Just a good local producer of hydraulic lines made it for me and attached it, no problem. No purging required, just nice slow operation with the warm hydraulic fluid, and it works the fluid or the air bubbles out on its own. So I still highly recommend this mini excavator that I got off Alibaba. I love it. It looks cool, which is super important, obviously, but also it works well. So hope you like it. Don't be afraid of these. It has a Yanmar engine, so can service it locally. Anyway, please follow along with my channel. We're going to be building an ADU here pretty soon to Passive House standards, using the excavator quite a bit. So like and subscribe. Please give it a nice thumb up. That really helps the channel. And I will see you in the next one. Cheers.